Good day everyone, I'm Aaron Dave Talplacido and here to discuss a temporal lobe. What is temporal lobe? The temporal lobes is sit behind the ears, are the second largest lobe. They are most commonly associated with processing auditory information and with the encoding of memory. The location of temporal lobe is located on the lower side of the brain, beneath the lateral fissure and near the ears. Each cerebral hemisphere has a temporal lobe, one on the left and one on the right side. The main function of temporal lobe process sound and language. The primary auditory cortex is responsible for hearing. The left temporal lobe, particularly Wernicke's area, is critical for understanding spoken and written language. The medial temporal lobe, including the hippocampus, plays a significant role in forming long-term memories. The amygdala, located in this temporal lobe, is involved in emotional processing, especially fear and pleasure response. The fusiform gyrus, part of the temporal lobe, is specialized in recognizing face. The other facts of temporal lobe epilepsy is a common form of epilepsy that originated in this region. Damage to the temporal lobe can result in problems with memory, speech, and emotional regulation. Left temporal lobe damage often leads to language and verbal memory issues, while right temporal lobe damage may impair visual memory and facial recognition. Temporal lobe demonstrate neuroplasticity, meaning it can adapt and recognize in response to injury or learning. Temporal lobe disorder including aphasia, auditory agnosia, and some forms of amnesia.